Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Claude Code on both Windows and Mac Linux. And then we'll test it on real project files so you can see how powerful it really is. If you've never used Claude Code before, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Let's start with Windows first. Open Google and search for Claude Download. Then go to the Claude Code website. Once you're there, scroll to the Environment section and find the Windows installation instructions. This will redirect you to the Claude Code install page. Scroll down until you see the Windows CMD command. That's the command we'll use in a moment. Before running it, make sure Git for Windows is installed, because Claude Code needs it. If you don't already have Git, just click the Git for Windows link, download it, and install it using the default settings. Remember to check this checkbox to add git bash to environment path. Once Git is ready, copy the Windows install command from the Claude site, paste it into your terminal, and let it install. When it's done, type Claude-help to check the installation. You should see something like this if it's successfully. Now, if you're on Mac or Linux, the process is very similar. Go to the Claude Code website, copy the macOS Linux install command. Then on Mac, press Command+Space to open Spotlight Search and launch Terminal. Paste the command and run it. Wait a few seconds for installation to finish. Sometimes if you type Claude-help right away, it may not work yet, and that's totally normal. That just means your environment path hasn't been updated. Simply copy the echo command shown on the Claude website, paste it into Terminal, and run it to fix the path. After that, type Claude-help again, and now Claude Code should be working perfectly. Once installation is complete, let's test it in a real project. Open your project folder, launch Terminal inside that folder, and type Claude. The first time it starts, Claude will ask you to choose a theme color. Just select your favorite one. Then it will ask you to sign in with your Claude account and activate your subscription if needed. Once that's done, you're in. Now here comes the fun part. Let's test Claude on an example folder. In this tutorial example, I have a folder containing a grass texture image and a plain text file with game code inside it. After launching Claude in that folder, type "What's inside?" Claude will instantly scan the folder and list all the files along with their types. Next, ask, "What is the text file? Is it code?" After a few seconds, Claude analyzes it and identifies exactly what it is, including the game engine, scripting language, and what the script actually does. That's incredibly useful when you're opening unfamiliar projects or old files you forgot about. You now know how to install Claude Code on Windows and Mac Linux.